Hey guys, it's Anka. Welcome back to Here for the Style. Welcome back to my place, albeit in a different setting this time. Because honestly, I did not have the necessary disposition this weekend to film when there was natural lighting, so I'm trying the whole artificial lighting thing again. And this time I have blended out the light a little bit, trying to not make it as overexposed as it was in the last videos that I filmed with artificial lighting. And yeah, for today I want to show you something that's very exciting. You already know because you have seen the title of the video. I want to show you some magnetic lashes. And as a disclaimer, I just want to tell you guys that I actually went for the knockoff version that I bought from a site here, a local site from my country, from Romania. I did not I did not invest in the version of the magnetic lashes and liner that I saw advertised in some of the big YouTuber channels, because honestly I think it's very expensive. I don't remember if it was $80 or $60 or something like that for the set. And then I would also have to pay shipping to Romania, and yeah, I just think it's a bit complicated. And so I was very, happily intrigued to find these versions on a Romanian website. Let me just take them. They come delivered in these like plastic bags, and then you have a box where the lashes are inside here. This is the liner. It just actually looks like a normal liner. I have opened it and looked at it because I was so curious. This is the brush. I mean, I think it's a thicker brush, for eyeliner. I mean, if you put it next to the eye, it looks quite big. But yeah, we will see how we can work with it. And you also get one of these like special tweezers. It's actually called, I think, this shape of a tweezer is called like a fake lash tool or something like that. It looks like this, and it also has like a little plastic here that's keeping it, closed, which I like. Now, what I will say is that this is metallic. So I don't know how that works with the lashes having magnets on them, and then the liner is also magnetic. So I don't know if this will stick to the lashes or the liner, or we'll see. Right. I'm actually, very excited to see how this works. First of all, I saw this idea. I didn't even know it existed. I saw it first on Tati's channel, because Tati also tried the other type of magnetic lashes, which are those that you put over your lashes and then under, and you kind of sandwich your lashes between the two magnetic lashes. And she didn't like those, but then she found one of these products with the magnetic liner, and then the lashes having small magnets on them, and she really liked them. And I also saw a stellar review for this type of product on Raw Beauty Christie's channel. She's a YouTuber that I really like. I find her so very talented, and she seems like a nice person to hang out with. I think, she's one of those people that I'm friends with in my head. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. Okay, right. So I'll try to put on the liner as thin as I can. I don't really like the thick eyeliner look. the formula feels a bit, I don't know how to explain it. It's not really smooth like a paint that you apply. It's more of like, it feels like it's made of particles. Okay. And now it actually feels very wet, and I know from from all the videos that you have to wait for it to be completely dry before putting on the lashes. So I will put on eyeliner on my other eye, and then I will wait for the whole thing to dry, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the liner applied to my eyes. I think it's dry. It did take about 2 to 3 minutes for it to completely dry, or at least for it to completely feel dry. I did not manage to do my baby line and baby wing that I prefer with the eyeliner, so it did go on a bit thicker. I think it's due to the formula and due to the actual brush being a bit bulkier than I'm used to, and yeah, you do also, I mean, I was also trying to get on fair amount so that I can make sure that the lashes, the magnets on the lashes, have something to stick to when I put them on. Right, and now let's move on to the lashes. I couldn't tell from I could not tell from the images on the website the size of the lashes. I mean, that was not clear to me. I actually thought that these may be a bit short, and then I also bought these for a more dramatic effect, but now that I look at these, I think they're so massive. I don't think you would be able to even see my eye anymore if I put them on. So I'll try these ones. So I'll take the little like tweezer tool that I have for them, and I will take the lashes out of their box. This is very interesting. It's a very interesting experiment for me, right? So I'm trying to remove them from their box as gently as possible. The tool actually isn't really helping. Okay, I got them off. And I dropped them. Okay, let me show you what they look like. And then right here on the back of the band there's the magnets. There were options with 3 magnets and with 5 magnets. I went for the 5 magnets just to, you know, make sure that they had more like gripping points. I'm taking them on my finger like this and just, you know, making sure that the band is round. This is so weird, and I'm a bit scared actually. I don't know about the size of the lashes, and if they're too big for my eyes, then I have to trim them, and if I trim them, then I will have to cut off the last magnet here, so I don't know how that works. But we will see. Right, now I'm just taking the lashes and I'm placing them right on my lash line, like that. And now I'm supposed to make sure that all the magnets adhere to the liner. Okay, so right now it's not happening. Okay, I think I managed to get them on. It's quite unusual because they actually stick to the liner, so they are a bit higher than a normal fake lash would be, which is right. I mean, if I use fake lashes that have glue, then I can just make sure that they adhere right to the lash line itself, and sometimes I manage to get them really close to my natural lashes, but these obviously stay a bit farther away from the lash line because they are actually magnetized to the liner. Sorry, I hope you were able to see what I was doing. So I got this one on. It does not really want to stay on the inner corner. I don't know if the maybe the liner is too thin over here, and then it does not have enough of enough of a surface to grip to. Right, so it took off all of the liner on the inside of the upper lash line, and now it does not want to stick because it has nothing to stick to. So let me try to fix that. This is not going amazing, is it? And I'm back with the lashes on. Okay, and this one has already unglued again right here on the inner side, and this one as well. I have tried to get them in place right over here on the inner corner where they really don't want to stick. I actually think the magnet is also not placed ideally here, with the magnet being so straight. It's like a straight line over there, and of course it does not want to follow the natural curve of the eye shape. So these are the lashes on. I think from afar they look okay. I think they look just like normal lashes. Do they feel secure? Not really, no, but mainly because of the inner corner not wanting to stay there. Is the band very visible? I don't think you can see it on camera. I don't think it's actually that visible. I think they look okay from afar. What do I think about these? I think they're quite finicky, and you do have to do some work, especially if you want them to, look perfect, especially if you're going to an event or something like that. But I'm thinking, with them not being the original, I think I should try the original, and maybe they will be a lot better. I mean, I do trust both Tati and Christy, and they the reviews are usually very fair to the product. So I think, you know, my version, the bootleg version that I found, is probably not as good as the original one. So magnetic lashes producers, if you're out there and you want to hit me up with some magnetic lashes and liners, so that I can review them, please feel free to do that. What I really see as a major advantage with magnetic lashes is that you don't get glue on your lash line anymore, so you're not in danger of, you know, just having glue all over your eyes and maybe accidentally ripping out one of your natural lashes or something like that. But with it being such a struggle for them to stay on the eye, I will try to see if they're secure elsewhere. They're more secure, but with this magnet constantly trying to come off, it's a bit weird. They do look good, so maybe if you want to, you know, get your picture taken, maybe not from a very close angle or something like that, yeah, they're good. And also if you want to experiment with false lashes, maybe you want to see what you look like wearing them and so on, and they're a lot easier to put on than you know, lashes with glue. Right, so this is all on this first impression and review on the magnetic lashes. I will not try the other ones, I assume they're the same. It's just that I'm very intimidated by this size. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, for taking time to hang out with me. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.